In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or draw shapes on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so drawing shapes is quite easy. Just follow these simple steps. First, come here and then look for this sign. This is a drawing tool on your Filmora. If you go ahead and click on it, you see we have quite a number of shapes such as rectangle, arrow, ellipse, triangle, as well as you can just draw a line. So this is a drawing tool. If you click on it, select the tool that you wish. For instance, I want just to draw a circle. I'll just click on it, then come to your video and draw that circle to that section where you want it to be drawn. For instance, I just want it to draw here like that. And here we go. Now the problem is we have a color fill that I'll wish to remove because I want this circle to be transparent or just have a borderline. To remove the fill, just come to edit here and then click on it. And this edit will give you some functions here. Look for this option called fill and then make sure you toggle it off. And you can see this will remove all the fill on that circle. You may want to go ahead and maybe change the color of your circle border as well as the thickness. To do so, just scroll down and look for the option called border. And if you click on border, you will find we have quite a number of options such as color. This is where we can change the color. So choose the color that you so wish. And if you have quite a number of colors here, you can change to any. Now, to make it thick, you can just go ahead and increase thickness of your border or your borderline by increasing the thickness on your circle there. From here, you can go ahead also and make some changes on where you want this circle maybe to be shown. If you want it to be just on a particular place or spot on your timeline or on your video, go ahead and move it there. And it will only be moved to that spot. However, should you want it to run on the whole of your video track, you can increase this to start from the beginning to the end by adjusting it like that. From here now, if you want to write any text, you can now use the text function to add any text on your shape. So that's how you can draw shapes on videos and images in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.